In this video, I'm gonna share to you guys why the Saramonic SR XM1 is a must-have microphone as part of your vlogging arsenal. Roll intro. Good day everyone, welcome to the Art of Sir Eden, and if you're new here and you're kinda interested in those kind of contents, please consider subscribing and tap that bell there so you'll get notified whenever I uploaded a new video. And for my subscribers, thank you very much for your support, and currently we are at 600 subscribers. I couldn't make it without you guys. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. And again, you guys are awesome. Now let's get down to business. My SR XM1 has been with me for almost 6 months, as I mentioned in the title of this video. So in this video, I'm gonna share to you some of the footages that I took during my travels to kind of show you the sound quality of the SR XM1. But before that, just so you know, this version that I'm using is a TRS version, but there's also a TRRS version for smartphone. And recently, Saramonic did release a few more models which is compatible for smartphones. One is a USB Type-C and the other one is a Lightning port. And that is because the missing 3.5mm jack is the future. Alright, so without further ado, I'm gonna show you these real-world experiences and footages that I took in my travels with the Saramonic SR XM1 connected to my GoPro Hero 5. So let's do this. Alright, so this is my last day on my old studio right here. As you can see, it's empty. So I kind of feel sad right now, but I'm going to move on my new studio, but it's still under construction, so let's see if you guys like it. So this is a farewell for this room. I have to move on. GoPro, stop recording. Alright, so this is a test of the GoPro Hero 5 vlogging setup. And currently we're riding our adventure and going somewhere. I hope this sounds great, and so far we're gonna do some other tests. The AC is on and the radio is on, and someone else is talking at the back. So I hope you're still hearing my voice clear. So that's it. GoPro, stop recording. Alright, so we just finished shopping for my beloved son, and this is a test of the GoPro Hero 5 walking using the Ulanzi vlogging kit with the Saramonic mic SR XM1. So I hope this test is good. So what do you think about this? Let me know in the comment section below. GoPro, stop recording. Alright, as you can see, it's already starting, and these guys are going to the
Yes!
Run Road. Unfortunately, I couldn't join them because it's too late for me when I tried to register. So I'm just gonna document this stuff and let's see what's gonna happen. Alright guys, so I'm here with Brother Dwaine.
What's up, Boya everybody? Kasama ko si Sir Eden. Subscribe po kayo dun sa The Art of Sir Eden. Ayan.
So what do you feel about this event?
Super maganda, as in, kasi it's all about family naman. Makakasama mga pamilya natin hanggang forever. My forever dito sa event na to.
Exactly, and forever.
My forever sa Mormons.
Mormons forever, exactly.
Ayun.
Alright, it has begun. Now the members of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints who are registered are already running. So this is the reason why this is called a color run. Critical, right? Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Building forever families!
Alright, so this is the test of the GoPro Hero 5 together with the Ulanzi cage combined with the Saramonic SR XM1. Let me know in the comment section below how this sounds. So right now I'm here with my buddy Adrian testing out my new Ulanzi anamorphic lens with his Moza Mini S. So stay tuned for the review of these two. I'll be posting it here in my channel, so Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you want this, if you're interested using these items or these gears. This is definitely a must-have. So GoPro, stop recording. What's up everyone? Today I'm here at the Dahilayan Forest Park, and let's explore all the things that we can do here, all the adventures and all the happenings that you might experience today. So let's go. Alright, so those are some of the places that I've been through using the Saramonic SR XM1 as my vlogging mic together with my GoPro. So what do you think about the audio? In my own opinion, the Saramonic SR XM1's audio is way too far from a shotgun microphone like the Rode Video Micro, the Boya BY-MM1. But the audio of the SR XM1 is way more better than the built-in microphones of my cameras. For an affordable price, you'll get an omnidirectional polar pattern microphone. It is small and portable because it's teeny tiny, just like I keep saying in my previous videos. And this will fit anywhere in your bag, even your own pocket. And with that advantage, you can take this anywhere you go. Just plug it and start recording without any hassle. And if you want to take this in another level of recording, you can get this Saramonic Smart Mixer, where you can plug 2 SR XM1s or more for a better audio. Although I don't have this specific product, but it is good to know that there are a lot of options on using the Saramonic SR XM1. And just a tip though, if you're using the Saramonic SR XM1 with your GoPro, make sure that you turn off the wireless connections of your GoPro, just to avoid this thing from happening. Good day everybody. Today we're going to a art museum. Alright, so we're finally here together with my baby Dre and my family. So let's see what's inside. Alright, that's it guys. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. And if you want more videos like this, please consider subscribing and tap that bell there so you'll get notified whenever I uploaded a new video. Again, this is the Art of Sir Eden tech version, and together let's explore, learn, create, and share. See you in my next video guys. Peace! And by the way, I'm using a new microphone here guys, and I did promise to have a better audio in my future videos because I've been receiving a lot of comments like, get a new mic! This is a microphone review but you have a bad audio. I decided to buy a new mic and I'm going to do a review of this microphone soon. So stay tuned.